the question that we ask is, what's the matter? Of course, we have different questions that we ask. We say, what's the matter? What's wrong with you? Okay, how is it going? Okay, all right. Can you follow, please? So we say, what's the matter? Okay. We say, backache. She has got a backache. Or we can say her back hurts. As you can see, we say we have she's got a backache. Okay? It means that you have to put parts of body plus ache. Or you can say her or his plus part of body plus verb hurt. Okay, let's go. We continue. Alright, we say toothache. What's the matter? Okay, I have got a toothache. She has got a toothache. Or her toothache hurts. Okay, let's see. Earache. So we say what's the matter? We can say also what's wrong. He has got an earache. His ear, you can see here, his ear hurts. Okay? A headache, the same way, we say like another question that we ask, we say what's the problem? What's the problem? Okay? She has got a headache. Alright? So, stomach ache. Alright? We have flu. Or we say a cold. So, she has got a flu. Or she has got a cold. Okay? Alright? We go on. Here we pronounce a cough. A cough. So what's the matter? She has got a cough. Alright? So we say, what's the matter? She feels sick. It means that we have to put verb feel plus adjectives. Okay, we can say she feels sick, or we can say she feels tired, or we can say she feels exhausted, very tired, or we can say she feels dizzy. Okay, dizzy. Okay, right? Nice. Move on. Okay, here we don't say a sore throat, a sore ache, we say a sore throat. Okay, what's wrong? He has got a sore throat. We say he or she's got a sore throat. We have two, we say sore throat, or we say eye sores. Okay, eye sores. And like we say here, she is tired, or we can say she feels tired. Okay, sore eyes, or we say also eyes sores. She has got eyes sores. Okay, alright. Now we move on. Now we're gonna move after we say here. We're gonna recapitulate. We say, I have got a stomach ache. I have got a backache. I have got a sore throat. I have got eye sores. I have got a headache. We say also my head hurts. My head hurts. Also we say I feel tired. I feel dizzy. So remember, feel, as you can see here, remember that feel plus an adjective. And she's got, we can use here body part plus ache, and sometimes we use verb hurt, okay? Before it we have body part, and we have two types. We have sore throat or sore eyes or eyes sores. Now we move on to C. Okay? Here we recapitulate. Here we recapitulate what we did. Okay? So don't worry. Okay, don't worry. I will send you this paper, okay, in your group. Just follow. Okay, here as you see, here we have what's the matter, what's wrong, how are you, how do you feel. We say, I have a stomach ache, I have a headache, I have the flu. I feel sick, I feel better, I don't feel well. Okay, for negative adjective, we use horrible, awful, terrible, miserable. Okay, for positive adjective, we say fine, great. Okay, we say terrific and fantastic. Here when someone asks you, say to you, what's wrong? We say to him, I feel miserable. It means I don't feel very well. Okay? You see here the photo. What's wrong with these people? Look at this man. What's wrong with him? Okay? So we say he has got a toothache. He has got a toothache. Look at the woman now. What's the problem with her? She has got, not she is, we say she has got, or she has, or we say she has got a sore throat, or we say her throat hurts. Her throat hurts. Okay? Alright? Let's move on. Okay? If you see this man, he has got a problem. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? He has got, look at, he has got an earache. It means his ear hurts. His ear hurts. Look at this man. What's wrong with him? He has got, okay, a stomach ache. That means his stomach hurts. His stomach hurts. Okay? Alright? If you pass the dialogue now, we're gonna pass the dialogue. Complete the conversation. Use the question and sentence in the box. Okay, we have here a dialogue. Okay, as you can see, we have a dialogue between. We have a dialogue between Jake and Camilla. Okay, let's see Jake. So we are going to complete the dialogue with this one. It's just an activity that we're gonna do. Okay, nice. We have great. See you later. How do you feel today? It means how are you today? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? I'm glad. Glad means happy. Happy. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, you can sit here, get some rest. So, are you going to go to the meeting this afternoon? That's too bad. Are you going to see a doctor? What's wrong? Okay? We have here, as you can see, we have here Tuesday morning and Thursday morning. So your job is to complete this dialogue. Okay? So please don't forget to complete this dialogue. It's just an exercise and send it to me back. Thank you.